Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw with Wise from online income to US bank step by step clearly. To withdraw your online income to a US bank using Wise, start by logging into your Wise account. Once logged in, navigate to the balances section on your dashboard. If you don't have a USD balance already, click on Open a Balance and select USD. Follow the prompts to create a USD balance, ensuring you complete any necessary verification steps. Once you have a USD balance, go to the Send Money option. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw in USD. Select your USD balance as the source for the transfer. Next, choose your US bank account as the destination for the transfer. If you haven't connected your bank account yet, you will need to do so by entering your bank's routing number and account number. Once your bank account is linked, review all transaction details for accuracy. Confirm that you understand the fees associated with the transfer, as this will be displayed on the screen. After confirming everything is correct, click on Send to initiate the withdrawal process. You will receive a notification once the transfer is complete. Keep an eye on your email for updates regarding your transaction status. Funds typically arrive in your US bank account within 1 to 3 business days. Check your bank account to ensure the funds have been deposited successfully. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.